Hello, my name is Ms. Cohowcz, and I teach band and orchestra here at Cohowcz Middle School. The students here at Cohowcz Middle School usually start in the 6th grade without prior experience on any of the instruments. So that's for band and orchestra both. The students throughout their education here at our school have the opportunity to participate in local solo, ensemble, district, and state events that they can participate in. We do a range of performances in the community, from the baseball games to the airports for the holidays, and the students also have the opportunity to be broadcast. Now, all students have the opportunity to participate in our school concerts, in addition to some clubs like chamber strings and our symphony orchestra program that we've started this year. I really look forward to meeting you and hope that you join us here at Cohowcz Middle School.